This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 64 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. This issue is another fairly standard, boring one. We're repeating what we've done before and building up the inner forearm. Magazine obviously is different, and you can read through that at your pleasure and indeed leisure. If you want to pause and zoom in and read all the words, feel free. It doesn't bother me in the slightest, so I'm not reading it. But there you go. Yes, so we've got another strip to add. We've done the centerpiece, and we're sort of building around the other side now. So it's going to look like that at the end. We've done this. It's quite impressive seeing how much I've actually done now. It's getting quite heavy, the box that I keep it in. So let's look through the rest of the magazine. Art and pages and the artists that we're looking at today. That's that. So let's clear it out of the way. Let's get this attached. So there we have our other strip. We've got another bag of screws. We need 5. How many have we actually got spare now? We've got 4 spare now. So I do need to open this packet. We get all of those out. That should leave us with 1 spare at the end of this part of the build. So we've got the part that's been building up over the last few weeks and issues. This one is going on there. Not quite like that. It's got to fit on the inside of that. Like that. There you go. That joins up around here like the other side they did. That goes through there. And we've got the 5 screws that we need to put in to hold that together. I shall get these in now and then tighten them all up off camera, because that's just a bit of brute force on this. All of these screws are good and a good tight fit, but you need to make sure that they are fitting tightly, because obviously there's quite a lot of metal being moved around with these. So do make sure you get everything in securely and tightened. This has still got a bit of give to it, which it probably shouldn't have, but I think you might need a little bit of give for when the other side has got to join up to it, because you're not sure, you know, everything's got to scrape around to be exactly right there. So let's get all that done, and then we'll see how it looks. Did I put one in there already? I put one in there, but not in that one. I'll get that done behind the scenes. So that's on there, and that's how it's starting to look now. Next time, obviously, I'm pretty sure we're going to end up with another strip. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for that very soon. Bye-bye for now.